we will going to feature, no, a house and lot package dito.
Ayan.
And ano bang phase to, sir?
Basically, ang house and lot package po natin is located at the phase 4 of
Phase
Claremont.
4.
Okay.
Pero, sir, ano lang, cut lang kita doon, sir, when it comes sa phases natin. Kasi yung sa Claremont pala natin, sir, actually meron siyang 360 virtual tour, no?
Yes.
Bago ko makalimutan. We'll just put the link below, no? When it comes sa 360 virtual tour niya na mas ma-appreciate nyo. Kasi yung pagkakasunod ng phases natin dito is hindi siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
But rather 1, 2, 5, 4, tapos sa gilid is 6,
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Yep. So, ganun yung pagkakasunod. Hindi siya sequential na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And, wag din tayong ma-mislead dun sa like, ay, baka pag sa phase 6 or other phases, malayo na. No, kasi naka-spread out siya.
Yes.
So, again, feel free to check our virtual tour para ma-check natin yung location nila. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
So, actually,
Let's
sir,
go.
we're excited with
Me
the
too.
house and lot, no? So, let's go!
Let's go!